Clean windows are a powerful statement when it comes to the image of your property or home. Contact Window Cleaning provides quality window cleaning services for all glass surfaces, including interior windows, exterior windows, divider glass, and doors. Our cleaning process includes pre-washing the window with a microfiber strip washer, then we buff out the window with a 4-aught grade buff pad. We wash the window one more time and squeegee the window clean. We finish by cleaning up the window cleaning solution, check our work, and move on to the next window. We are insured and trained to utilize safe window cleaning methods, including OSHA standards for working with high access equipment. Thanks for considering Contact Window Cleaning for your professional window cleaning needs, and please feel free to call us at 214-390-5774 or email us at david@contactwindowcleaning.com.